What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be doing these lovely knotless braids. So if you want to see how I achieve them, then stay tuned. So if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section, and of course people, please share the video. I really appreciate it. Alright? Do enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, so the things you'll be needing are a rat tail comb, wax, scissors, brush, 3 packs of braid, and as you can see in the video, as you will see in the video, I added some extra hair that I had. So now I'm gonna grab a brush to detangle my hair. You like to do this before you start to braid your hair, of course. After which, I'll start pre-parting my hair, as it is way easier whenever your hair is pre-parted. You can just go in and plait the hair in. So guys, as I've mentioned before, it will be a jumbo hairstyle, so I'll be parting the hair big enough or sizable enough that I could plait the braids in. Alright guys, as soon as I finish parting my hair, then I'll come back and talk to you guys. Mwah. So now that I've done pre-parting my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with the back, and I'm gonna remove the elastic bands. Alright, so now I'm gonna detangle my hair again. And just so you know guys, I previously mentioned in a couple videos back that I was going on a natural hair journey. So you're gonna apply your wax to the root. That I was going on a natural hair journey, and I forfeited that whole idea that I had. I think it was the day before yesterday. So I repermed my hair, which is why it is looking this way. I changed my mind, and please don't comment me in the comment section. All right. So here we go. So we're gonna apply the edge control to the hair roots. Then we're gonna brush it in to make it sleek and pretty. And of course we're gonna divide the hair. Just a sec. And of course we're gonna divide the hair into 3 pieces. Start the plait, and then I'm gonna grab my hair and feed it in from under the plait. Alright guys, enjoy. Alright guys, so this is how far I am at the moment, and it's looking pretty good from where I'm standing or sitting. Alright, so this is how it looks right about now. So I'm gonna continue plaiting in the hair, and then I'll come back when I finish plaiting the back and starting the front, or about to start the front. Alright guys, so I've started the front part of my hair right about now, so I'm just gonna show you how it is looking right about now in the front part. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna do this one more time just for you to see. I'm sorry guys, I'm a bit distracted when I'm voice overing this video. I'm actually watching a movie at this present time, so see with me. Alright, so we're gonna start by plaiting the root. Add the hair in from underneath your finger. We're gonna add it from the bottom. Here we go again. We're gonna swing it under and continue to plait. Just so you know guys, the hair parting are not that perfect, as I am doing my hair myself and I have to be using two mirrors, which is the hardest thing to have done in my life. Alright, so see with the partings, but I love the way it's going already, or at this present time. Alright. Guys, I am in love with this hairstyle, guys. I'm so in love. Look at it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah. So this is the last plait that I am doing for the night. As you can see, I got a brighter light or a different phone. I'm using my boyfriend's phone at this current time, so it's a bit clearer. So here we go. So we're gonna plait this last braid in, and then I am gonna go to bed. So guys, I'm a bit tired, so I'm about to head to bed. So I'm just showing you how it is looking right about now. So I'm gonna go and add more here to the end of it to get it longer. Alright, so this is it. So I'm just gonna grab the scissors and I'm gonna trim the hair up before I hot water it. Now I have this hot water right here, so I'm just gonna hot water the hair. Alright guys, I'm gonna hot water the hair, then I'm gonna add some beads, some board beads to the end. You'll see a picture, you'll see me show you it in the end of the clip. So I'm just gonna hot water it for now, and then I'm gonna sit and add the beads off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how it is looking and the final look. For the final time guys, I'm gonna grab my edge control and I'm gonna do my edge with the comb and smooth method, of course. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And this is the final look. I am in love, guys. Please share with a friend, a family member. Please share on Facebook, Instagram, elsewhere, wherever you can share it to. Alright, guys. I will be doing post notification, show it out in probably the next video. Alright. Alrighty guys, love you. Take care and be safe.